Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to download apps without payment method on iPhone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you want to download the apps without payment method, then you can do it very easily. So first of all guys, let me tell you that you have to open the settings. Now after that guys, tap on your Apple ID. From here you have to scroll it down, then tap on media and purchases, then tap on view account. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply you have to wait some seconds. So you can see here guys, it's loading right now. So here you have to put the password. So let me put the password. So I have given the password, and after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on country origin. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to wait some seconds. So let's wait guys, because it's loading. Now after that guys, you can find change country origin option, tap on that. Now from here guys, select the country in which you are living. So just simply have to select the same country. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to wait some seconds, and these are the terms and conditions. So you have to read it carefully. If you are agree, tap on agree. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to select your payment method at none. Now your payment method selected at none. Okay guys, and here you have to put the billing address. So put street name, so you can put fake one. Another street, put fake one as well. So city is required, put the city name. So let me put my city name, and here you have to put the postcode about your city. If you don't know about the postcode, just simply search in Safari browser or another browser. And here you have to put the phone number. So after that guys, tap on next. So let me tell you that you can put your phone number fake one as well. Now tap on next, and after that guys, your country will be changed, and also you have selected your payment method at none. Now after that guys, you can easily download the apps without payment method. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.